the beautiful tongue twisters. With we will speak with this pen and without the pen, and you will see the changes with the speaking and without speaking. How much clarity in our mouth with the expression, and with how we can improve our pronunciation. You can see the pronunciation. Like start with the beautiful tongue twisters. I asked to ChatGPT to give me some beautiful tongue twisters with long tongue twister, and I will read with pen and without pen, and you can see the changes and how much clarity you can see. So let's start with this pen, okay? Like this. Okay, I will read, okay? Okay. Three tiny tricky tigers try to travel through three thick thorny trees. The first tricky tiger thought the thick thorny tree was thin. The second tricky tiger thought the thin thorny tree was thick. And the third tricky tiger kept thinking, thick tree, thin tree, tricky tree, thorny tree. Aha. दुखने लगे मुंह पर shit. Like we have to be clear this pen. And now you see this pen. I am speaking with this pen, and now I will speak with without the pen. Okay. Three tiny tricky tigers tried to travel through three thick thorny trees. The first tricky tiger thought the thick thorny tree was thin. The second tricky tiger thought the thin thorny tree was thick. And the third tricky tiger kept thinking, thick tree, thin tree, tricky tree, thorny tree. So you can see the pronunciation. I was reading with this pen and without the pen. And the last one is like we have to be read, okay, with the pen. Six slippery snakes slowly slip across six smooth stones while seven silly sheep stood silently and stared. Suddenly the slippery snakes slipped, the silly sheep shouted, and six small stones rolled slowly down the steep street. Or a bapre. ऐसा लगता है sometimes like I will do a vomit. Sometimes we will put this in mouth and or put whole mouth. Sometimes it is paining. Right now it is paining. Sometimes it feels we have to do only 1 minute or maybe 50 seconds or 1 minute as you have that kind of strength. So now I will read it without pen. Okay. Six slippery snakes slowly slid across six smooth stones, while seven silly sheep stood silently and stared. Suddenly, the slippery snakes slipped. The silly sheep shouted, and six small stones rolled slowly down the steep street. Now you can see the both changes with pen and without pen. It will help. Like I am telling about you the tongue twisters. It definitely it will improve our pronunciation, our speaking clarity, and that kind of way. And like we will put it in our mouth, this pen, and you will see the movement of our tongue, and whole mouth will open, and like oh it is penny here, and we speak loudly, and so both the way improve. I did both with both the way. Like tongue twister, it is hard, and with this pen, it is also hard. So I thought. I have to be do tongue twister with the pen and without pen. You can see the changes and our flow, how we speak. It definitely will improve our speaking and our clarity and our articulation. It helpful for articulation. The pen, our articulation will definitely improve and our pronunciation will improve. And if pronunciation will improve and articulation will improve, then our confidence will also improve. So that is the way of the pen and the tongue twister. So how was the video? Maybe it is a good, and you have to be do this at home with the pen and without the pen, and read stories with pen without pen. Maybe 1 minute, 2 minute stories. Where do that kind of exercise. Maybe it is. I can say this is exercise or trick. It helps our speaking, our pronunciation, our articulation. So many things it will improve. So thank you so much for listening me, and have a nice day. We will meet in next beautiful ways and videos and stories. So thank you so much for listening me. Have a nice day.